One day, isang araw, nagaya ang mga person mag-Iloilo. Bakit doon? Anong gagawin doon? Saan pupunta doon? Hindi namin alam. Basta papunta na kami. Ito, inyong tamang maraming salamat katrabaho. And once again to our... Let's start with the basics. Paano pumunta ng Iloilo? You can fly directly to Iloilo from Manila, Cebu, Davao, or even Hong Kong. The airport is modern and efficient, about 30 minutes away from the city proper. Stop. Bakit parang lugi kami sa Philippine Airlines?
Bakit?
Sila nasa taas. Bakit tayo?
Naglalakad lang?
Oo.
Bakit? Nagbayad ka ba? Binayaran nila yan eh. O mamamatay ka na. Hindi pa pala. Ano ba naman itong mga airport na to?
Mas maganda yung sa atin may thrill. There are tons of places to stay, from luxury hotels like Richmond or Courtyard by Marriott to budget-friendly inns and cozy Airbnbs. We stayed here at One Spatial Iloilo. 2 bedrooms siya, tapos 3,500 per night. If you want to be near restaurants, malls, and nightlife, I suggest you stay in Iloilo Business Park or near the Esplanade. Now for the fun part, here are the top places you have to visit in Iloilo. So our first stop is Garin Farm. Pero nadaanan din namin ito ngayon sa Gimbal, Iloilo, which is something super intriguing, super mysterious, at medyo creepy. This, mga ka-Barbie, is where the Vanishing Mansion is said to appear, then disappear. 1/2, 1/4. Charot! Eto na nga. Ang chika is, ayon sa mga matatanda, minsan daw sa madaling araw or kapag sunset na at medyo maulap, biglang poof! May bahay, may ilaw, may anino ng mga tao, pero pag blink mo, wala na. Kaloka, diba? Some say it's a portal, others, spirits daw yung nakatira. So, the question is, totoo ba talaga ang Vanishing Mansion? Or gawa-gawa lang ng imahinasyon natin? Ano sa tingin niyo mga ka-Barbie? Comment below! Next nating nadaanan sa Gimbal is this Moro Watchtower. In 1600s, hindi pa uso ang CCTV noon. So, they built this stone watchtower para magbantay laban sa mga pirates. They use coral stones and sandstone called igang. At believe it or not, egg whites daw ang ginawang binder para magdikit-dikit ang mga bato nito. Opak, baking show yarn.
Isa sa mga medyo mahabang switch na meron din siyang story.
So the story goes, before ka daw tumawid ng bridge na to, mag-wish ka muna. Tapos kapag nagawa mong hindi huminga hanggang makalagpas ng bridge, magkakatotoo daw yung wish mo. So,
Taas mahaba.
ayan na.
Mataas.
Anong
Ayan.
wish mo? Saka na, pwede bang saka na mag-wish?
Hindi, wish na ngayon.
wish
Sana
na ngayon.
makalipat na kami.
Maka-transfer na kami. Makaalis kami sa Exia.
Ready?
Wala na!
Nag-exhale agad.
Forever na kayo sa Cebu.
Mabubulok na tayo.
Sabi sa'yo to.
Our next stop is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is the Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish, also known as the world-famous Miagao Church. Built in 1787, this Baroque fortress church was not just for worship. Pang-defense din siya laban sa Moro pirates noon. This church survived earthquakes, fires, and even wars. Matatag just like Char. 2 hours later, nakarating na rin tayo sa heaven. Heaven? Garin Farm pala. Hello mga ka-Barbie! Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Joaquin, Iloilo. Sa isang lugar na pinaghalo ang agri, leisure, at spiritual feels. Welcome to Heaven on Earth, Garin Farm Pilgrimage Resort. Isa sa mga highlights dito ay ang 456-step stairway to the Divine Mercy Cross.
Bi, dito ka na, maitim ka na.
The Divine Mercy Cross stands at a whopping 101 feet high. Grabe mga ka-Barbie, from afar pa lang parang tinatawag ka na. Oo, ikaw, mauna ka na, total sabi mo, mabait ka, diba? Charot. Anyway, may secret pa dito, the tunnel experience. It's a dark walk symbolizing life's struggles, hinagpis, pighati. Charot, pero it symbolizes hardships in life. Pero at the end, liwanag at kapayapaan ang sasalubong sa iyo. Ayan ka, Barbie, sumakses ka na talaga, sinasabi ko sa iyo pag puro ka work. Naku! Super majestic ng feels at ng views. Look at that. Ang entrance fee dito ay 150 for adults. Pero kung senior citizen or PWD ka with valid ID, 120 pesos na lang. At kung meron kang baby, 3 years old and below, free of charge.
At dahil po kami ay tamad maglakad at hindi kaya ng aming tuhod, kami ay nag-golf club. For only 150 per card. Pero na yun, round trip. Trip. Charing.
Saka sobrang init.
So, yun pa. Sobrang init, baka mangitim si Ken.
Bilis pa naman ako mangitim. Bye.
Stretching over 9 kilometers, the Iloilo River Esplanade is perfect for your morning jog or soul-searching moments. Alam nyo mga ka-Barbie, yung vibe dito, very unhealing, pero cute pa rin. Ay! Where are we?
Where are we? We're in Ilog Pasig.
Ilog Pasig.
We're here at Esplanade.
The fresh air, scenic river view, the peaceful energy, sobrang aesthetic. Kung feel mo maging healthy-healthyhan, pwede ka mag-jog or mag-bike dito. Pero wag mo kaming idamay, Barbie, nasa bakasyon tayo, parang awa mo na. Next stop is Molo Church and Plaza. This is a stunning Gothic church known as the Feminist Church because of its all-female saint statues. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Para ako nga attend dito ng Bridgerton Ball. Tapos ako si Kate Sharma. Tapos nag-aantay sa akin si Anthony. Oh my gosh! Baby, I'm here!
Oh, hey!
Anyways, sa tapat lang pala nun is ang Molo Mansion. This beautifully restored heritage house built in the 1920s showcases elegant architecture and rich history. Once home to the wealthy Yusay family, the mansion now serves as a cultural landmark featuring local crafts, art, and a cozy cafe. We also went here sa Festive Walk Mall, tapos dito sa Casa de Emperador, which are all located near Iloilo Business Park. Also, don't forget a side trip to Guimaras. Alam mo ba, mahal mo na. Charot! Alam niyo ba na Iloilo is named as a UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy? Halika na and let's talk about the iconic dishes you must try. Let's start strong. This is the soul of Iloilo. La Paz Batchoy is a rich, savory noodle soup topped with pork, liver, chicharron, and egg. Try it at Netong's inside La Paz Public Market. It's where it all began.
Ang comfort yung mga gaps ng bottle.
Ay, sorry.
Okay. Excited ako sa mall, oh.
Ang sarap yun. Parang ano lang yun? Siomay na, mami na may siomay. Ito pa.
Pwede kang gawin ng garlic.
Sabaw, extra.
Next is Pancit Molo. Think of it as Iloilo's take on dumpling soup.
Sina?
This comforting bowl features handmade pork-filled dumplings in a flavorful broth. Tapos partneran nyo ng puto. Ang sarap.
May inggit sa akin. Kasi hindi nila natikman.
Ikaw na lang magsabi ko ano yung lasa.
Kahit puto kahapon, naghahanap sila dun sa batchoy. Wala.
Di ba may ano tayo, darahin po natin.
Gusto ko yung puto na pilit talaga. Roberto's Siopaw. This is no ordinary siopaw.
Roberta's Queen. Bacon, Chinese sausage, chicken, pork adobo with egg siopaw. B, kasi laki na ng kamay ko, B. Oh, kasi laki na ng mukha ko. Ay, hindi, mas malaki pa rin yung mukha ko. Eh, di wow. Let's try it.
Wala pa, guys.
Pero ako, talaga, personally, mas gusto ko yung ganito na, yung tinapay, kaysa yung sa mismong laman. Sarap. Sambong itlog. Sarap. Papel.
Wow.
Medyo na lang. Nakaya ko din papel. Ay, sambong itlog, oh. Ganun siya kalaki. Ayan. Hindi kailangan ng sauce. Mas sarap sana kung hindi ko nakakain ng papel. Kasi natatamad na ako tanggalin siya. Ang laki na ito. Maubos ko ba ito? Ang sarap.
Don't forget to try also this traditional Ilonggo dish from Cabatuan, Iloilo, featuring native chicken, seasoned with aromatics like lemongrass, tomatoes, onions, and ginger, which then are wrapped in banana leaves and steamed to perfection, allowing the flavors to meld into a savory broth. Grabe, sarap, sobra. Another restaurant you should try when you're in Iloilo is the Tatoy's Manukan and Seafood. They are renowned for their native lechon manok. This delicacy features darag, a native chicken breed from Western Visayas known for its lean, flavorful meat.
Sarap yung chicken.
Masarap yan sana kung may sauce.
Wala nga ho. Ay, ito sauce.
Kung mas masarap yan sa sa litson, yung ganyang sauce.
Maming-ming. Gulay!
Mudge Cafe is a coffee spot in Iloilo City serving handcrafted home-brewed coffee. You can't come to Iloilo and not experience this place. I mean, this cafe is famous for its native Barako-style coffee. Brewed old school ha, no machines. Sobrang sarap ka, Barbie. Once you try it, iisipin mo na kung kailan ka ulit babalik. Nagsaserve din pala sila dito ng breakfast. Now, here's the thing that makes Mudge extra special. If you're a regular Suki, they literally store your own personal mug here. Like, you've got your own cup waiting for you. Sobrang cute and intimate, diba? It's like having your own little corner in Iloilo.
Nila nang napalitaw. Yung kanin is yung parang hindi lang hiniling. Malaki itong siya. So, ganito rin, no?
If you're a foodie, Iloilo is a dream. Lahat ng nakainan ko dito masarap, kahit yung mga barbecue lang sa kanto, itong homemade fish balls sa tapat ng Molo Mansion, at pati rin itong bibingka. Lahat talaga masarap, walang tapo.
Native coffee talaga.
And this is where we ate our last breakfast in Iloilo, Ondoy's Restaurant. Shout out to Iloilo Peeps, Ma'am Jewel, Sir John Ray, Sir Felix, Sir Roy, at Sir Mike. Thank you po, and see you all again. Iloilo honestly caught me off guard. Like, it's so calm, so charming, and just so rich in culture and history. And the food, like, I thought it was just a one-time thing, pero hindi. It's definitely a destination na babalik-balikan mo. And that's it for our Iloilo vlog. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more travels. Halika na!